What a night. So nice. Just getting the last of the sunset. It's about a 9-10 knot northerly currently. So good. It'll be dark in the next 15 minutes, which is good. Just get in with the torch, the GoPro, the gun. See if we can get anything. If not, I'm sure we'll get some footage. The plan is to catch and cook, but probably not today. So we'll do the catch today, fill it and all that at home, and then tomorrow maybe do the cook up. But obviously being winter, it's going to be cold, but can't wait. It's going to be so nice. Waste no more time and yeah, get in. That light is really starting to fade now. The tide's pretty much at its peak, maybe a little bit more to go. But yeah, the sun's definitely moving quick. Don't really know what we'll get today, to be honest. I mean, winter time, never really know. But I haven't been in for a night dive for about, I don't know, 6-7 months. So it'd be good to see regardless, having to almost yell because of the waves, but where we're going is just a bit more sheltered, so yeah, should be alright. Cold. It's nice. Haven't seen anything size to take yet, but even so, so much around at night. Oh, so nice. But yeah, it's cold in a 3mm suit. Not the middle, but start of winter. Whew, it's cold. Let's keep going. Unfortunately, I kind of underestimated how hard it would be to hold the GoPro spear and torch all at the same time. We shot a nice whiting, really happy with that in the first 15-20 minutes of the dive. It's a nice size as well, at the 35cm mark probably, so yeah, for this area can't complain. But yeah, keep looking around to see if we can get a few more, but yeah, it's really hard to try and get footage of the actual shot, but keep trying, so yeah, let's keep going. Good start. Nice flatty, just sort of sticking out the back of the weed. I'm not sure if the footage came through. If you don't see it, it obviously was rubbish, but nice flatty on the probably 33cm mark. Can't complain. Now whiting and funny, two really good fish. Freezing my ass off, but yeah, probably cool it soon. But yeah, that's good. Wasn't expecting to get much. And, yeah, two decent fish. So keep going and yeah, see how it goes. Such a nice night though. The northerlies backed off, and yeah, a few things are out. Keep going. Back at home now. Just got back. Here's the fish. Got this one was about 27, so just legal, maybe 28. The flatty was about 29, and this one was actually quite big, good. It was about 35. Good fish. Yeah, we'll just scale, fillet them now. Plan is tomorrow we'll go back down the beach around sunset time and just with the cooker, just cook them up. So yeah, overall it was a good night, and yeah, start filleting now. So we've got the fish, the salt, the flour, the oil, the pan, and an old stove cooker we've had. So yeah, just simple stuff, nothing major. Yeah, let's get into it. Alright, so first things first, just got probably a quarter of flour in here. It's as simple as just all the fish into this thing. This is just an old tub we have. Just put that all in. Lid and just shake it up for 10 seconds all different ways, just get a nice coat on all of them. Now we've got the stove cooker, haven't used it in a while, so we'll see, just a gas bottle, and there we go. That is on. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, that's on, so that shouldn't be too long to heat up. Looks like a fair bit of rain coming this way. Might just miss it. Fingers crossed. Let's get the rest of the fillets in there. So that's the flathead. That's the other whiting fillet. And that's the last flathead fillet. And with the other whiting, it was 28 and the legal was 27, so we just cut the head and tail off because it was actually, it's pretty skinny. So took the head off, took the tail off, and just have it whole. So we just put that in the back there. Swirl it around a bit more. There we go. So that should be about 3 minutes on one side, flip it over, and a minute on the other, and they should be done. been about 2 minutes now. If we flip it over, it's quite soft so it breaks. There's probably a little bit too much oil in there, but it should be that kind of golden brown colour. So we'll flip this over, just pull it out there a bit. There. So they're the 2 flathead fillets. Way too much oil. That was not the best. And that's 1 whiting fillet. Skin side down first. And there's the other one. We'll leave this one a little bit more because obviously being whole it will take some more time. But yeah, so maybe another minute, even 2 minutes on the other side, and they should all be done. And that rain is looking like it'll be within the next 10 minutes. Hopefully it just passes. Alright, so a good way to tell if they're ready, pretty easy, just open up one of the fillets and the inside is white, usually means that they are done. So that's all the fish done, and yeah, looks like we're just going to beat that rain. There's hardly any oil left in the pan, nothing else but just little bits of fish, so it's fine just to use some of the seawater to clean it. This work. Don't need heat, just to get some of the fish off.